Ever dreamed of designing the perfect jersey? Let's dive into Adobe Illustrator and create a custom jersey design, step by step. First, we need a template. You can either find a template online or create your own using basic shapes like rectangles and ovals to define the jersey's outline, sleeves, and neck. Ensure the proportions are accurate for your chosen sport. Next, create the base of your design. Select the rectangle tool and shape your jersey to the correct form by selecting a color and placing it over your jersey template. Consider the placement of features such as the neckline and the sleeves. Now, add some flair, whether it's stripes, chevrons, or other geometric patterns. Create your own with shapes and the direct selection tool. Experiment with different colors and patterns to find your ideal combination and build a pattern swatch to integrate and apply with your jersey layout. Now, place your team logo and any sponsor logos. Import your logos as SVG files and use the direct selection tool to adjust their size and position to where they fit properly on the jersey. Choose colors that complement your overall design. Finally, the finishing touches. Use the type tool to add player names and numbers. Choose a font that matches your design aesthetic and ensures readability. When placed on the jersey, make sure the text blends well with the jersey's pattern and add a visual hierarchy. And there you have it. A unique jersey design ready to hit the field. Thanks to Adobe Illustrator. Don't forget to save your template to use in future designs. Happy designing!